Recording started.
They know RDA.
Dismounted sila dito.
They should be,
They know
oy!
RDA.
Oo nga, no. Ready just hold. May nakascout na sa atin eh. Pero hold na muna. They should be going on that. Ayun yung pinakamalapit na ng ruta.
Hold, ATB, hold. May kita ko dyan, ATB.
Okay, ready Hold for a bit. On this ping, okay? Okay, ready, okay. Come near to them.
Dismounted.
Come near to them. Okay.
Astral
Ready? Hold, okay. Dismount when you can, okay? Dismount when you can. Just dismount. Surround them, okay? Surround them and full brawl, okay? Surround them and full brawl. Full brawl. Just keep rolling, okay? Keep rolling. Yo, out, guys, southside. In 5, southside in 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa may west. Full brawl on the west. Full brawl on the west. Brawling on the west. Heals.
Healers
Sa may south. Okay. One healer down I will mark the healer. Find healers. Wala
Copy.
matay.
Hard north healer.
Guys, spread more on the northeast side. Spread more on the
Cleric.
Spread more on the
South healer running.
Okay, sige, spread lang.
Patay na to, pre! Two healer down.
Okay guys, step in 5, step in 4, 3, 2, 1, step. Wala silang DPS nice demon, tangin na.
Blight nila southeast.
Full push start. Wala na to. Heals lang onte. Heals lang onte.
Running.
Heals onte. Vortex check. Okay ka lang? Okay. Meron pa kami dito Naku, baka ma-execute ako ng taong to Salamat sa you. Okay, nice. Nagsiwalaan yung mga healers sa south Kaya sabi ko tuloy south. Pag nagsiwalaan. Yung mga need ng healers, magpinga kayo. Baka mamaya may mamatay pa sa atin. Ping if you need heals. Yung board, okay.
Yay,
Okay, good.
manifesting. Naisahan ako ng mga putang nung kahapon
Wala naman nag-OC Ay puta, nag-OC pala kayo.
Okay lang yun. Disclaimer naman yun.
Pumuntikan ako dun sa nila, engage.
Vortex.
Sila ba nagtatakbo nito?
Tayo ata.
Tayo yan.
Guys, basta